Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. I'd like to share with you this Tarte Rainforest lipstick trio. Rainforest of the Sea lipstick trio. And of course I got the reds, because that's no secret there. Now QVC had a one-day only special, and it was for $31.96. Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Hydrating Lipstick Trio, and it says, discover long-wearing lip color infused with H2O with Tarte Full Coverage Hydrating Rainforest of the Sea Lipstick Trio. This ultra creamy formula combines intense pigments and buttery smooth conditioners for comfort swipe color that locks in place with no feathering or bleeding. And make water work for you with this trio of wearable color-rich shades infused with lip quenchers and Tarte Rainforest of the Sea complex to help smooth the look of lines. And it really, really does that. It's very moisturizing. So enough rambling, Pauline, let's just show what they look like. So the three colors are Daiquiri, Escape, and Set Sail. So we're going to leave Daiquiri for last because that's the prettiest one. So let's start with Set Sail. And first of all, this new packaging is gorgeous. It has this gorgeous oceanic aqua color. Just beautiful. And it has this sort of marble look. So this one is Set Sail. And that's like a really pretty berry. Let's start. Oh yes. That is gorgeous. And it's so moisturizing. So that is Set Sail. Then we have Escape. Again, they all are just gorgeous in this beautiful aqua with a gold embossed writing. It's just gorgeous. And this is more of a corally undertone. See that? And then we have Daiquiri, which is my favorite. Again, all the same. Now this one is definitely more of the coral. This one, the first one, Set Sail, is more of a nude pink, like a nude blush, dusty pink. The second one is sort of just a deep berry red, and Daiquiri is a coral. Beautiful. This is Daiquiri. They are, of course, Daiquiri was the first one I wore. Because, I mean, why not? It's gorgeous. It is hydrating. It doesn't last 12 hours because, you know, show me a lipstick that does. But it is gorgeous. And when it does wear off, it just leaves a beautiful hue of color on your skin, on your lips. It's beautiful, it's hydrating, and it's well worth the price for $31 for 3 full-size lipsticks. It was such a great deal. So I picked up the reds. They have the nudes, or is it the pink? They have the nudes there as well, but I just wanted the reds because it's red. Of course I'm going to want red lipstick. But these are just absolutely gorgeous, but they're moisturizing and they feel good on the lips. It's not like you're feeling, oh my God, when am I going to take this off? It's wearable, it's soft, and it doesn't bleed, and it doesn't give you butt lips. It's just very moisturizing and lovely to wear. So again, I love the reds. You may just prefer the nudes or the pinks, I think they're called. But I just like the bright bam in your face colors. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you have picked up any Tarte lipsticks, let me know what you think about them. I think these are the sets that I really love. I had some of their lip glosses, which I love, absolutely love. But these are the first lipsticks that I do love from Tarte. There was a couple that I picked up before that I didn't care for, because sometimes with Tarte it's hit or miss, but this one is certainly a hit. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. If you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And be kind to yourself, be kind to others. Just pay it forward. And God bless you. Bye.